All right, let's get right into it, man. So today, what we did was we made $6,067. Cool. Across some evals and some XFAs. I made about 500 something across each account, and some of them I doubled. I doubled down, so it's two times. Whatever I put in for the original, it does it twice. So anyway, coming in today, we're gonna start on the hourly. On the hourly, we clearly were bearish. That's the main thing. We clearly were bearish on the 4 hour. We clearly bearish. Just everything is giving bearish. Nothing is giving bullish. A 2 euro can see that we are going down, down, baby. So, uh, so coming into it, I'm already have a bearish bias. Da, da, 1 second. Coming in today, I clearly have a bearish bias. Well, it's 9:30 at 9:30. Boom. So, boom. What we have is what I noticed was we have this. First of all, we had a bunch of 30-minute gaps. We had a bunch of 30-minute gaps. We was trading inside of an hourly gap. So I was like, okay, this is what I want to see. I want to see us hit this 30-minute and then reject. So what we end up getting is we end up hitting this 30-minute. On NASDAQ, we failed to do so on the S&P, which is a high resting inside of here. We have this high resting right here that we did not take out on the S&P, but we took it out on NAS. So that's a clear indication that we're going down. That's a bearish SMT, which is cool. I damn near wanted to take an entry right off open, but I didn't do it because I told myself I wasn't taking no more entries straight off open. Because most of the time, I'm not gonna say most of the time, it just cooked me. It just cooked me a couple times, and I'd rather not get up early as fuck in the morning to lose a trade in 2 seconds. Anyway, so we start coming down. We create this 5-minute gap, which is what I wanted to see open. I wanted to see a 5-minute gap open, which we get right here. Which we create this gap right here. So then I was like, okay, cool. We have all this low resistance. We have all this low resistance, and we got the low of London session. Because first of all, this is a clear London manipulation to reversal to New York continuation. So we got the high of London taking out, manipulating the low of Asia session, and then the reversal, and then New York gonna come through, breathe a little bit, and continue down. So plus we was bearish, so that fuck the daily profile. We was clearly bearish. So what I wanted to see was this low resistance liquidity get ran, bunch of LRL, and what we do is we tap into this gap. Did we create SMT right here? I don't remember. I don't think we did. But regardless, what I wanted to see was I wanted to see this 2 minute get inversed. But we didn't get that. Because it came down here, it shot through. I was like, okay, cool. If I get another close below this candle, then I'll take it. But it started shooting. It started shooting. So I just went ahead and I took my entry. Uh, it started shooting right off this candle. So as soon as it started coming out here, I took the entry. I went break even once we went below here. And then the next was history. Shit. So I was in this trade on probably a couple minutes. Let's see. About 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And yeah, that was the trade for the day. It was real simple. Real simple. I didn't see us coming back all the way up here. I wasn't opposed to buys completely only because we was tapping off these gaps internally. We tapping off these gaps and keep going, even on the 5 minute. We got a bunch of 5 minute gaps being respected. But at the end of the day, we still was trading inside of this 1 hour gap. So I was like, I want to see sales. And like I said, it's been dropping. I think it's going to keep dropping even into next week. So no buys. No buys going on until proven wrong. That's all I got for today.